I want you to click the Kinsta link I have put at the very top of the description. I am asking you to do this because if you are using a plugin like WPML, Polylang, or Weglot to translate your website into multiple languages, you have probably noticed a terrifying side effect. Your website speed just dropped by 50%. I am going to explain exactly why that happens and how the tool in that link fixes it instantly. So open that link and let's talk about translation lag. Here is the problem. A normal WordPress site is simple. The server asks the database, "What is the title?" The database says, "Welcome." But when you install a multilingual plugin, you break that simplicity. Now, the server asks, "What is the title?" The plugin interrupts and says, "Wait. What language is the user speaking? Oh, they are in France. OK database, find the ID for the French version of the title." The database searches, it finds it. Then the server asks, "What is the menu?" The plugin interrupts again. Find the French menu. For every single word on your page, the server has to do double or triple the work. This causes a massive spike in database queries. If your page used to have 50 queries, now it has 150 on cheap shared hosting. This crushes the CPU. The server cannot answer 150 questions fast enough. The result is a time to first byte of 2 or 3 seconds. Your French customers leave because the site is too slow. You cannot fix this by optimizing images. The problem is in the brain of the site. You need a short-term memory for your server. This is why I host multilingual sites on Kinsta. Go back to that link I told you to open. Look for the feature called Edge Caching and Redis Object Cache. Here is the magic. Redis is a technology that sits between your website and your database. It acts like a fast memory bank. The first time a user asks for the French title, the server does the hard work and finds it. Then Redis remembers it. The next time a user asks, Redis says, "I know this. It's bonjour." It answers instantly, without even waking up the database. It cuts those 150 queries down to 0. I had a client running a WooCommerce store in English, Spanish, and German using WPML. It was a disaster. The checkout page took 8 seconds to load because it was trying to translate product descriptions in real time. We moved the site to Kinsta and turned on the Redis Object Cache add-on. The load time dropped to 1.2 seconds. The queries disappeared. The checkout became instant in all 3 languages. If you are trying to go global, you cannot let your infrastructure stay local. You need a server that can speak every language without stuttering. Click the Kinsta link in the description. Get the Object Cache. Stop the query bloat. Click the link, translate your site, and keep your speed.